Are you finding organic chemistry overwhelming? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to a new session from IITian's Masterclass, where we're tackling the beast we all know as organic chemistry. We know that the world of carbon compounds, reactions, and intricate mechanisms can feel like a maze. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. I've navigated this maze myself, and I'm here to share some tried-and-true strategies that will help you revise effectively, ensuring you're ready to ace your exams. In the next few minutes, we're going to journey through the importance of revision, crafting a structured study plan, understanding concepts, practicing problems, utilizing resources, employing memory aids, and even studying in groups. So buckle up and prepare for an insightful journey into the world of organic chemistry. Stay tuned as we break down the process of revising organic chemistry into manageable steps. Why sweat over revision? Let's uncover the importance. Organic chemistry is a complex field that demands your attention. It's like a woven tapestry where every strand, every reaction, and every compound is interconnected. Imagine if one of these strands were to snap, the whole tapestry would start to unravel, and the same goes for your understanding of organic chemistry. Regular revision is the glue that holds these concepts together, reinforcing your understanding and ensuring you don't forget the essentials. It's not about cramming everything into your brain the night before an exam, but rather about revisiting these concepts periodically to keep them fresh in your mind. Think of it as watering a plant. Without regular attention, it begins to wilt. Similarly, your knowledge and understanding need regular nurturing. So, don't underestimate the power of revision. Remember, consistent revision is key to mastering organic chemistry. A well-structured plan can be your roadmap to success. Imagine you're embarking on a journey through the intricate maze of organic chemistry. You wouldn't start without a map, would you? That's what a structured study plan is, your map through this complex subject. Let's begin by breaking down the syllabus into manageable sections. Organic chemistry is vast, but don't let that intimidate you. Instead, view it as a collection of smaller topics, each with its unique concepts and reactions. Segregating the syllabus into smaller chunks makes it easier to digest and less overwhelming. Once you've broken down the syllabus, it's time to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Be honest with yourself. What topics do you understand well? Which ones confuse you? Acknowledging your weak areas might feel uncomfortable, but it's a crucial step. It allows you to focus your effort where it's needed the most, turning those weaknesses into strengths. Now, with a clear understanding of what you need to cover, it's time to allocate specific time for each topic. This is where your study plan becomes truly structured. Consider the complexity of each topic, your familiarity with it, and the amount of practice it requires. Then assign a realistic time frame for mastering it. Remember, it's not a race. The goal is to understand, not just to get through the material. The beauty of a structured study plan is that it gives you a sense of direction and control. It ensures that no topic is left behind in the rush of revision. It also allows you to monitor your progress and adjust your plan as needed. As you work through your plan, remember to take regular breaks. Studies show that our brains absorb information better with short, focused study sessions, followed by brief periods of rest. So don't forget to relax and recharge. With a well-structured plan, you'll be able to tackle organic chemistry head-on. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that step today, and let's conquer organic chemistry together. Let's dive deeper into the concepts, shall we? Organic chemistry isn't about cramming facts and figures into your memory. It's about understanding the principles that govern how molecules interact and react with each other. When you grasp these concepts, you can predict and explain chemical reactions, even ones you've never seen before. Consider organic chemistry as a language. You could memorize a dictionary, but that wouldn't help you understand a novel. Similarly, rote memorization of reactions won't help you comprehend or apply organic chemistry. You need to understand the grammar, the underlying rules that dictate how organic molecules behave. Now, this might sound daunting, but it's not as hard as it seems. The key is breaking down complex mechanisms into simpler steps. Take a reaction and dissect it. What are the reactants? What are the products? How do they transform from one to the other? Visualize the process. Imagine the movement of electrons, the breaking and forming of bonds. And don't forget to ask questions. Why does this reaction occur? What factors influence it? What role do the reactants, catalysts, or conditions play? When you understand the why, the what becomes much simpler. Organic chemistry is a puzzle, and each reaction is a piece. The more you understand, the easier it becomes to see how everything fits together. So embrace the complexity, delve into the details, and above all, strive to understand. Remember, understanding the why makes the what a lot easier. Practice makes perfect, especially in organic chemistry. Now, let's delve into why practicing problems is a significant part of your revision. See, organic chemistry isn't just about understanding the concepts, it's about applying them. And the best way to do that? Practice. Think of it like this. If organic chemistry is a language, then solving problems is akin to conversational practice. It's where you get to apply the grammar and vocabulary, the concepts and mechanisms you've learned. And just like in a language, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. So what should your practice look like? Variety is the key here. Work on problems that cover different types of reactions. This will not only reinforce your knowledge of these reactions, but also help you understand how they interrelate. It's also essential to challenge yourself. Don't shy away from the tough problems. Instead, embrace them. They'll stretch your understanding and help you become comfortable with complexity. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Each mistake is a learning opportunity, a chance to improve. Finally, practice regularly. Make it a habit. This will help you retain what you've learned and improve your problem-solving speed, both of which are crucial for success in your exams. To sum up, practice is where the magic happens in organic chemistry. It's where your understanding deepens and your skills sharpen. So keep practicing and you'll be ready for any curveballs in your exams. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The world of today is full of resources to help you master organic chemistry. Let's start with textbooks. They are your fundamental source of knowledge. They provide detailed explanations, diagrams, and examples that can greatly enhance your understanding. Online platforms are an absolute treasure trove of information. You can find video tutorials, practice problems, quizzes, and much more. They allow you to learn at your own pace in your own space. Don't underestimate the power of your class notes and lectures. They provide a personalized touch to your learning process, highlighting key points and areas of focus. Revisit them regularly, refine them, make them your go-to guide. There's also a plethora of reference materials, additional books, research papers, articles that provide a broader perspective. Utilize them to enrich your knowledge. With the right resources, you'll gain a deeper understanding of organic chemistry. Now let's make learning fun with mnemonics and memory aids. These can be your secret weapons when it comes to mastering organic chemistry. Imagine trying to remember a complex reaction sequence. It's like a dance of atoms and electrons, and it can be incredibly hard to remember every move. But what if you could give each step a catchy phrase or a fun association? That's where mnemonics come into play. They can transform a long, complicated reaction into a memorable story or a memorable phrase. For example, you could use the acronym SNAP to remember substitution, nucleophilic addition, and polymerization reactions. The trick is to make it personal and meaningful to you. The more unique and vivid your mnemonic, the easier it will be to recall. So get creative and start making your own memory aids. With the right memory aids, you'll remember complex reactions in no time. Two heads are better than one, especially when studying organic chemistry. Engaging in group study sessions and discussions can be a game changer. When you explain a concept to someone else, you're not just helping them understand, but also reinforcing your own knowledge. Plus, your study buddies might bring new perspectives or ways of understanding that you hadn't considered. And remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Don't hesitate to seek help or teach others. It's a win-win situation. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's revisit our journey. We've explored the importance of revision, crafted a structured study plan, emphasized on conceptual understanding, practiced with problems, and utilized resources. We've even added a dash of fun with mnemonics and encouraged group study sessions. Remember, organic chemistry is a journey, not a sprint. It's a puzzle waiting to be solved, and with these strategies, you're well on your way.